And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have is a PBandai item of Figurized Standard. We have Master Rider Den-O Axe form. This is the third form that Den-O will acquire, having a contract with the Imagine Kintaros. So, first up, let's look at the box art. We see here Master Rider Den-O in his axe form and in his platform, and as well as the train that will eventually, this is then liner with the axe form front car. Okay, so off to the side we have here Den-O in his axe form, Kintaros, or rather axe form's favorite pose, when he cracks his neck using his hand and says, "Yours, my strength has made you cry." His his Satsuwaza form, and then we have him here comparing, or rather we have him in X form and platform, and yes, they have the sun form of the imagines of Momotaros and Kintaros. Off to the other side, yeah, some information of X form in the show, the kit itself, and other information. So let's see what's inside the box. So opening up, first up we have one bag, silver. We see here some parts for the face, the chest, and the part of the face for X form. Another bag, all silver. We see right now we have some parts for the limbs here. Yep. Another bag, we have one bag, all yellow. Sorry, one sprue, all yellow. Another sprue, all red. And all black. We have a multicolored sprue, one with white, gray, and yellow. And one more bag with two sprues inside, all black. We have the standard stand and another sprue, all black. And here we have it. Yep, the two special items, which is included. We have the sun form of Momotaros here and the sun form of Kintaros here. And of course, let's not forget the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first up, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have it mostly on white, some light gray here, and some yellow parts here. So this is parts for axe form. This, I think, is part when he is still in his platform. And most of these parts here is all common whenever he's in axe form or in platform. So that's the A sprue. We have the B sprue here, which is all black, where we can see some parts of the feet, some parts for the body, waist, thighs, and neck. Then we have a C1, which is also all black. We see some parts for the head, manipulators, and joints, which it also has a C2, which is actually a half of C1, which consists more parts for the head. Yeah, since we're building two, or rather we can build it either all platform or all X form. So that's C2. We have a D here, which consists of all yellow, since X form is yellow. Some, shoulders, body, face. I think this is still part of the head. Yeah. So that's the D. We also have an E, which consists of silver parts here. So the silver parts, more parts. I think we have some parts for the waist, some parts for the limbs, the face, and the body. Yep. So that's E. What else do we have here? We also have some X plates. By X, I mean we have an XA, all silver parts. I think this mostly are parts for X form. Do we have an, oh, we have an XC2 and an XC1. So XC1 is more parts for X form, and XC2 is still parts for X form, but if you would notice, yes, this is the front armor for when he's in sword form, but if it's in X form, this will be his back armor. So those are the X plates. Oh, we also have actually an XC3. I think this will work as for the stand, which also comes with the standard stand right here. And let's not forget the sticker sheet that it comes with it, and the instruction manual, and of course the very special items that came with it, which is the Momotaro's sand form in an acrylic sheet, and the Kintaro's sand form also in an acrylic sheet. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the PBandai Figurized Standard Mask Rider Den-O X form. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing it. And this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, see you and thank you.